Welcome back, guys, to Erin's channel. We are in sunny
New Mexico. Wait. Nevada.
Nothing in the my finger was in there. It hurts to smile.
I know, my face is cracking. I'm trying to itch it. Welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas. Let's get it. I couldn't find my lens cap, but I finally found it in my cup holder in the rental car. This thing gets lost all over the place. So we just checked out of the hotel. We're going home today. But first, before we go home, we're gonna go to the strip and gamble. Ready?
Ready?
Let's go. Look who it is. What's up?
Oh, lucky little motherfucker.
Do you want to tell everyone how you're gambling?
It went bad. Very, very bad. I am not lucky.
I was getting bad vibes from that girl at the
I
table.
was getting bad vibes from the girl, and then she switched out, and then I got good vibes from him, and I did okay for like twice, and then it went downhill.
Yeah.
And now I'm poor.
So what did we learn?
We learned to trust your instinct.
We learned don't gamble in Vegas. Only gamble in New Orleans.
Yeah, which we will be in about 6 weeks.
So now we're headed back to the car. And we're gonna go home. It's time to go home. You ready to go home? I've been here forever.
I have barely been here. But since I lost all my money,
Finally in the airport. After every little thing that could possibly go wrong going wrong on our way here. What time are we boarding? Come in. I'm literally sitting here in the airport on Google Flights looking for my next destination. Where to next? We're back in the Lone Star State. We've been here for about...
taking an Uber pickup, or you trying to take a picture of me?
Yes.
Okay.
Smile. You got it? Remember, what have we learned?
we learned to always carry wheelie bags.
Now I can't talk about that. And I've already heard one person yell, "Go Spurs, go."
What?
Okay, I'm all showered and clean. The bed is clean. Everything's clean. Have y'all ever seen one of these? If y'all haven't, it's just an ice roller. And I try and do it after I get out of the shower. Put it for a good second under my eyes. But it reduces puffiness. So I just roll it on my face. And it's literally the best thing ever. But oh my god, my hair. So I'm home. I'm gonna unpack and everything. The only thing missing is my dogs. I gotta go pick them up tomorrow. My dad and my brothers were watching them for me. Thanks, guys. These are only half of the shoes that Caitlin brought. I fit them all back in my suitcase for her. That is going to be it for today's vlog. I'm so tired, so I'm gonna pass out now. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure to give the video a big thumbs up if you are enjoying it. I have already chosen the giveaway winner and everything, but I want to thank you all for entering and participating. I love all of you guys so much. Y'all are all freaking awesome subscribers, and I'm going to be doing more giveaways. I have something actually really great in mind, and it's going to be awesome. So I'm just going to save up a little bit of money for that because I want to give y'all something like really good. But yeah. See y'all on the flip side. Later, skaters.